Hi, I'm Trisha Calvo from Shape Magazine. Every 3 minutes, a woman is told that she has breast cancer, but there's a lot that you can do to protect your health, reduce your risk, and support the cause at the same time. Yoplait Yogurt has a program called Save Lids to Save Lives that you buy the yogurt, you eat the yogurt, it has a lot of calcium and vitamin D, which helps lower your breast cancer risk, and then you send the lid back to the company, the pink lid's back, and for every lid they receive, they'll donate 10 cents to Susan G. Komen for the cure. And this year, they'll be donating up to $1.5 million with a minimum of $500,000 to support breast cancer research. At snapfish.com, they have a program called Share to Care, where you can create your own photo greeting card and send it for free to a friend to help show your support for the cause. And also at snapfish.com, they have some products like photo books and calendars that you can purchase, and the proceeds of the sales, 30% of the proceeds from the sales from those products will go to support breastcancer.org. Exercise is one of the most important things you can do to reduce your risk of breast cancer. And at JCPenney, they have an exclusive sports bra called Dr. Marla's Wellness Bra, and this bra is wonderful and very supportive and very comfortable. It's also very figure flattering. A portion of the proceeds goes to support breast cancer education. These are just a few of my favorite ways to support the cause, and I encourage you to support the cause too. Thanks.